Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this Herbal Roots Valerian. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this Valerian and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now, first off, I just want to give a shout out to this company for being nice enough to send me this product in exchange for this video. I'm really excited to talk to you today about it, and I just wanted to start out by mentioning there was actually a plastic seal around the lid here of this Valerian, which I was really pleased to see that they had it sealed. And when we go ahead and actually open up the lid, you'll notice there was actually a secondary seal as well at the mouth opening. Now, I've been really impressed with this Valerian here. If we take a look, you can see those are what those capsules look like on the inside right there. I'll actually go ahead and pour some out so you can kind of see what their size is, but this is the size of the capsules right there. Now, you will notice that you get 60 capsules here in this bottle. So while the bottle isn't super big, it does hold 60 capsules, which is awesome. I will just mention that when you're pouring these out, just take a look and kind of keep an eye out for that kind of little dry packet on the inside. It's designed to kind of keep moisture out. But overall, I've been really impressed with this Valerian. If you guys are looking for a bottle of Valerian capsules, I would highly recommend taking a look at this one. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.